Hello, a blessed day. Welcome to our Kingdom Daily Devotional. Our topic for today, a foundational problem. The church cannot fix a society's problem when the foundation is out of place. In the book of Psalm chapter 11 verse 3, when the foundations are being destroyed, what can the righteous do? No matter how much the church works at correcting social ills, if the foundation that God laid for the family is not in place, okay, even the word of the righteous will not be successful. So the devil does not care as much if the church is filled with women, because as long as men do not come back to their heavenly Father, then the women and their children are fatherless. Fatherhood is the foundation of the family, the church, and the culture. If society and nation have problems with drugs, unwed mothers, teenage pregnancy, corruption, and violence, then they must go back to the foundation in order to solve these problems. If they have a national problem, then they must go back into the communities to find the problem. Community problems are rooted in the families that make up each community. So when we check to see what the family's problems are, we must look at marriages. So when we examine the condition of our marriages, we discover that husbands and wives are divorced, mothers have been abandoned, and men are not sustaining their families. What does this boil down to? Brothers, we are the root of the problems affecting the nations. The foundational source has problem. Men are not being the fathers God created them to be. So, our thought for the day, the church cannot fix society's problem when the foundation is out of place. That's why ang foundation po natin ay ang fatherhood. Napakahalaga ng papel ng isang tatay, isang lalaki. That's why kung kinakailangan na mag-campaign tayo about this pinaka-root problem, the foundation problem, then let's do it. Okay? May the Lord will surely guide us all today.